see? Melvin, what do you see in this problem? Let's go ahead and start with the top. What do you see at the top?
In the top I see 9.
In the top you see 9. And how did you see that 9?
Because 5 and 4 makes 9.
Okay, so you saw this 5 and these 4, and then you knew that that was 9? Did anybody see it another way? Ariana, what did you see?
I see it. I noticed it was 9 because an empty square is empty.
So you noticed that it was 9 because there was an empty square. So, okay, so it's 9. What about on the bottom? What do you see on the bottom? Luis?
I see 7. I see 7.
And how did you see the 7?
You already know that. You already know that 5 and 2 is 7.
Oh, you already knew that 5 and 2 was 7?
You see that broken piece of that little paper? So you put.
Hold on, we're not there yet. So 9 plus the 7. Ooh, that's hard.
Easy.
I don't want to make it hard. I want to make it easy by doing a making 10. What number do you think I can decompose to help the other number and make it a 10? What do you think, Dylan? Decompose the 7, okay? So decompose the 7. Why would I decompose the 7? Why would I decompose the 7, Juliet?
Because the 9 is really close to being a 10.
Because the 9 is so close to being a 10? Okay. So then what does it need? When I decompose the 7, how am I going to decompose it? How am I going to decompose it? Luis.
You are going to put a 5 here.
Okay.
And then sorry. We're going to put the 2 here.
Okay. Here, I'll help you.
I don't know how to make a picture.
It's fine. I will help you. Okay. So you're saying a 2 and a 5 to make it 7. Is that correct? Well, first, let me go ahead and ask you this question. Does 2 and 5 make 7? Check if you agree. Okay, so 2 and 5 make 7. Would you agree that this is this is a good
Answer?
a good way to decompose number 7? Check if you agree. Thumbs down if you don't. Thank you, Louise. You can go back and sit down. Leah, why don't you think that's a good way to decompose it? Hold on. Why do you think that that's not a good way to decompose a 7?
You do decompose the 7, but something is wrong right
You
there.
do decompose the 7, but something's wrong. Can you come show me what's wrong?
Please.
No, I just want to give back the book. Let me talk. Lee is going to show you what's wrong. You have to put the 1 right here because we're making 10.
Where are we making 10?
Because 9 and 1 will be 10 because 9 is so close to being 10.
9 is so close to being 10. So 9 and the 1 would make the 10?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So 1 and 5 make 7. Yes?
Yes. No.
1 and 5 make 7?
No. Make 6.
Then what do I need to do now?
You will need to change the 5.
Oh, so that was the wrong, okay.
6.
So what's my number that I need on this side? Alan, 1 and what makes 7?
6.
1 and 6. So 1 and 6 make 7. Is that correct or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. So now we're good up to that part. So then the 9 and the 1 make what?
10.
Make 10. Now what? Dylan.
10 plus 6.
Now 10 plus 6. Oh, I can't forget about my other number. 10 plus the 6. Oh, that's an easy, friendly number. 10 plus 6 is quick. What do you know?
16.
16. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So now we know that 9 plus 7 is if it's right, okay? Let's see what we saw here. We knew that we had 9 plus 7, correct?
Yes.
What do we need to do? We needed to what? Just tell me, friend.
We needed to put that one up there.
You needed to put this one up here?
Yes. To make a 10.
So we are decomposing the,
One.
the
Oh, seven.
7. We're going to decompose it into what? 1 and
10. And a 7.
1 and 7?
6. And a 6.
1 and 6. I'm decomposing the 1 and the 6. So I can give 1
To the 10.
to the 10.
9.
To the 9 and make it a
10.
10. So now this is full. That's easy for me to see. If it's full, it's a
10.
10. So 10 and
6.
10 and 6 is
17.